Hi guys, welcome back to Tracy's Global Kitchen, and on today's episode we'll be making this gluten-free Japanese inspired sweet potato cookies. So buckle up and let's go to Japan. So here we have a sweet potato, then baking powder, then some milk. Guys, this is sweet potato flour, okay? Sweet potato flour, this one. So that those are all the ingredients that we need. So first things first, we're going to mash this sweet potato. I saw people online doing this, but they were not using this gluten-free flour, but personally I'm going to use it because I have the free will. And plus I'm wondering, guys, apart from porridge, what other recipes do you do with sweet potato flour? Okay, I'm making a small batch, of course, because it's a try and error. I'm not sure whether I'm going to like it or not. See, perfect. Then I'm going to add in some flour. We're not going to use all of it. That one is enough. And then some baking powder, one tablespoon, 1 teaspoon, yeah. And then some milk. So for the milk, you just add gradually as you try to work your way around your results. But I personally, you see, when it comes to baking things, I think cookies are the easiest baked recipes like that you can do. But they're usually very easy, because you just need to have a firm dough. Then I've not put some butter. I'm going to put, because if we don't put some butter, I think we might mess things up. You see, I'm just going to add in some butter. Next, we have some small bit of butter. Remember, I want to make them in the healthiest way possible, so that is why I've not put a lot of butter. And everything is now okay. So let's prep our baking tray. Next, we're going to use our hands. Because the dough feels sticky, just hope that everything is going to work well. The dough feels sticky. And as you've heard, preheating my oven 180 degrees Celsius, 10 minutes. See, perfect. We're almost done. I'm just hoping that this won't be a fail. And if it's not a fail, oh my gosh, I'll be so happy, because I know there are people who love such treats, and they're addicted to, to cookies, and they're in situations where they can't take the carbs. So I'm just hoping that everything works well. Yeah, you see, perfect. So let's meet after 30 minutes in the oven. So guys, this is how our sweet potato gluten-free cookies look like. Okay, by the way, guys, if I'm to be so honest, they are not firm. Look at that. Can you see that? They are breaking, but they are kind of firm. Like it's it's a 50-50 thing. Okay, Look at that, like the top part is firm but the bottom part is not firm. Okay, yeah, so thank you so much guys for watching. God bless you and see you on the next drama. Bye.